trigonometric table. Here 0 degree, here 30 degree, here 45 degree, here 60 degree, and 90 degree. This is your angle. This is sine, this is cos, this is tan. Let us draw a triangle, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. This is your suppose A, B, C. Right angle at the point B. This is 90 degree. Okay. Suppose angle C is 45 degree. Since it is 45, then angle A must be 45 degree. Because this is 90 degree, this is 45, this plus this is equal to 90 degree. So if 45, this must be 45. So this is isosceles triangle. So both isosceles means CB is equal to AB. Two sides will be equal because it is isosceles triangle. Okay. Now suppose this is your x, AB is equal to x, CB is equal to x. This is hypotenuse, this is your perpendicular, this is your base. We know that for the right angled angle using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to what? Is your perpendicular plus base square, isn't it? Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular plus base square. So here perpendicular is equal to what? X. And base is equal to what? This is x. This is x square plus x square is equal to 2x square. Or hypotenuse is equal to what? Root over 2x square is equal to x root 2. So hypotenuse is equal to k. Hypotenuse is equal to x root 2. Then perpendicular is equal to x. And base is equal to x. So what is sine theta? What is sine theta means? Here theta is equal to 45. What is sine theta? Sine theta is equal to, here theta, value of theta is equal to 45 degree. Sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is the value of hypotenuse? Hypotenuse, value of hypotenuse x root 2, value of perpendicular is equal to x, so x cancel out is equal to 1 by root 2. So sine 45 degree, the value of sine 45 degree 1 by root 2. Okay. Similarly cos theta is equal to what? Base by hypotenuse. What is the value of base? Base is equal to x. Hypotenuse is equal to what? X root 2. From this x, hypotenuse is equal to x root 2. X cancel out is equal to what? 1 by root 2. Similarly, tan theta is equal to what? Tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base is equal to x by x is equal to 1. So sine 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, tan 45 is equal to 1. So we know that we know that reciprocal of sin theta is equal to cosec theta. Cosec 45 is equal to what? 1 by root 2 reciprocal root 2. Okay. Reciprocal of cos theta is equal to what? Sec theta. Sec 45 is equal to what? 1 by root 2 means root 2. Reciprocal of cos theta is equal to sec theta. That is 1 by root 2. Reciprocal root 2. Similarly, reciprocal of tan theta is equal to what? Cot theta. What is tan theta? Value of tan theta? Tan 45 is equal to 1. So reciprocal of tan theta is equal to 1. Okay. That is sin, cos, tan, cot, tan, cot. Okay. Now we will find the value of 60 degree. Now draw a equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangle means all sides will be equal. Here name the triangle ABC. Suppose this is your 2x, length of this AB. This is also 2x. This is also 2x. So now draw perpendicular to the base BC. Suppose name this point is D. So here is one triangle, and here is another triangle. This side is common. Okay, this is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. Okay, and this is, since this is equilateral angle, all angles will be 60 degree, 60 degree, and 60 degree. You all know. Okay, all angles will be 60 degree. Okay. So this angle is equal to 60, this is a 60, this angle is a 90, this angle is 90, this is a common side. The two triangles are congruent. Therefore this side must be equal to this side. If total length of this side is equal to 2x, that is this length must be x, this length must be x. Okay, so now applying, this is your right angle triangle. Right angle ABD is a right angle triangle. For right angle triangle, using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem means hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, so here this is your perpendicular for angle 60. This is your base. This is your hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is equal to, value of hypotenuse is equal to what? 2x whole square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square is equal to what? X square, or 4x square is equal to p square plus x square, or p square is equal to what? 3x square, or p is equal to what? Root over 3x square is equal to x root 3. For the triangle A, B and D, we will take angle P is equal to 60 degree. Now take the value sin 60 degree is equal to what? Is equal to sin 60 degree is equal to sin 60 degree means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Similarly, sin 60 degree is equal to, here is that angle, if theta is equal to 60 degree, then sin 60 degree is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Put the value. Perpendicular is equal to what? X root 3. Base is equal to what? Base is equal to x, and hypotenuse is equal to what? Hypotenuse 2x. put the value here. Perpendicular is equal to x root 3. Perpendicular by hypotenuse is equal to 2x. X cancel out, then root 3 by 2. So sin, what is the value of sin 60? Sin 60 value is equal to root 3 by 2. This is the angle sin 0 degree, sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Similarly, cos 60 is equal to what? Cos 60 is equal to base by hypotenuse. What is the value of base? Base is equal to x. What is the value of hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is equal to 2x. So that is 1 by 2. That is, what is the value of cos 60? The value of cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Then tan 60. Tan theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by base. Value of perpendicular is equal to what? X root 3. X root 3. X root 3. What is the value of base? Is equal to x is equal to root 3. So tan 60 is equal to be what? Root 3. So now we can easily determine the value of cosec, sec and cot. Understand? Sin 60 degree is equal to perpendicular hypotenuse, cos 60 is equal to base by hypotenuse. Put the value, nothing else. Then now sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Then cosec 60 degree will be 2 by root 3. Just reciprocal. Reciprocal of sin theta is equal to cosec theta. That is why. Sec theta, sec 60 degree is equal to half. So cos 60 degree is equal to half. So sec 60 degree will be what? Sec is equal to 2. Then tan is equal to root 3. Tan 60 root 3. Cot 60 will be 1 by root 3. Now we find out the value of 30 degree. This triangle, well, again I will draw this triangle again. This is your, these two triangles are congruent, therefore this is your 30 degree, this is also 30 degree. Since two triangles are congruent, this total angle is equal to 60 degree, that is, it is 30, it is 30. Now I will draw the same triangle, this triangle here. This is your 30 degree, this is a 90 degree, okay. This is a hypotenuse is equal to 2x. This is your, if this is your 30 degree, this, then base will be, this is your base, base will be, base is equal to what? Or this is your perpendicular. Base is equal to, already I have calculated x root 3. So sin 30 degree. So again applying Pythagoras theorem, this is x, this is x, h square plus p square plus b square. Here this is your x, this is perpendicular. H square is equal to 2x square, 2x whole square is equal to 2x whole square is equal to what is perpendicular? Perpendicular x square plus base square, or b square is equal to what? 3x square, or b is equal to what? X root 3. B is equal to what? X root 3. Now sin theta is equal to what? Sin theta means here sin theta is equal to sin theta means 30 degree. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is the value of perpendicular? Value of perpendicular is equal to P is equal to x, and hypotenuse is equal to 2x is equal to half. So sin 30 is equal to half. Similarly, cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta means here 30 degree. Is equal to base by hypotenuse. What is the value of base? Base is equal to x root 3 by hypotenuse is equal to 2x. Hypotenuse 2x, base x root 3. Then x cancel out, root 3 by 2. So cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. What is the value of tan 30? Value of tan 30 is equal to what? Tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. Value of perpendicular is equal to x. Perpendicular is equal to x, and value of base is equal to x root 3. That is 1 by root 3. X cancel out, 1 by root 3. Okay. So if this is your theta means 30 degree, so base will be this, AB will be base and perpendicular will be CD. Okay, and rest of is very easy. Sin theta is equal to what? This is your perpendicular, this is your base, this is your hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. Put the value, nothing else. Very easy. Now so if sin theta is equal to half, then cosec theta is equal to was just reciprocal to cos theta is equal to 1 root 3 by 2, then sec theta is equal to just reciprocal 2 by root 3, and tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. The cot theta is equal to root 3 only.